YouTube video right here.
We put this thing in the hallway.
YouTube video.
Yeah. Cool. And over here somewhere. Like this.
Over here, Brian.
Hey, so this is the last piece of carpet in here. This is 40-year-old carpet. 40-year-old carpet coming out. And we're gonna have a wood floor instead of carpet. Okay.
And it's not just any wood. Not just any wood.
What kind?
It is a special wood.
I have a lot of special wood. So we got the 40-year-old carpet out, and it's gonna be replaced. Look at this, old carpet, some dirty old carpet. Doing some remodeling.
Hell, I'm thinking.
That's real man work right there.
Yes, sir.
You're not gonna find a Joe Biden supporter doing that.
2020 twin.
Getting the good shit, huh?
Yeah.
Good shit.
There's hardworking Paul. How do you feel about the
Feel
job?
great about this floor. Just check it out.
It's amazing, right?
Hell yes it is.
You put in a lot of hard work, dude.
Yeah.
Thank you. What do you say, Brian?
I think it is superb.
Superb.
Yes, I do. I think it's
Super
superb.
B.
And what were all the, for our viewers, what were all the steps that it takes to take it from a carpet to a hardwood floor? First, you got to take the carpet out, right?
Yeah. Tear out. Lay out your floor. Set it all up. And start
Be
nailing.
mindful
Yeah.
of all of your grooves and your offsets. So to tell which side you're going to start on first, to work left to right, front of the house to the back of the house, or the back to the front. I prefer to work from the back to the front.
Yep. I got this, and then our lovely stove area.
All right, boys.